This is Cesar Gonzalez with Gonzalez Social Media Consultants. I wanted to thank Miss Jennifer for giving me the time to be able to present this to you guys and see what we can be able to partner with, hopefully partner together. So just wanted to explain to you what we do. It's going to take me about 10 to 15 minutes of your time, just explaining what we do and how we're able, how we want to go ahead and partner up with a specific dental office in the McAllen area. So we're just looking for one partner. I explained this to Miss Jennifer earlier. We're looking to focus all our advertisement on one partner and one partner only. So we're not going to have multiple businesses or anything like that in the dental industry that we were focused on. So we're looking for a partner in McAllen. So I just wanted to show you how we generate 85 new patients in about 60-day time frame. This was within our Houston market. We work specifically directly with dentist office only. So this is not for everyone. This is for the serious, dedicated family dentist offices only. So I hope that the information that I present to you would be good for you. Okay. So what we've uncovered is why a lot of family dentist competitors are spending about $5,000 a month, and they're losing about $1,000 in just halting their advertisement. We want to make sure that you get new family dentist patients the same day and not have to worry about any type of search engine optimization taking forever. I know Ms. Jennifer mentioned that you guys do have a partner currently, but it sounds more like doing some research. It's mainly off of search engines that they're advertising for you, and I'll show you what I mean by that. How to prevent good patients leads from running away to your competitors. I believe Express Dental in your area is a pretty big competitor, and I'll show you what I mean by that and how they're gaining mainly a lot of new customers. And this particular video is perfect for an add-on or replacing the current existing AdWords strategy that you have. You don't have to pay about $15 a click like the rest of the market is spending, and also how you can get new patients in your area, how we're able to go ahead and get that started for you. So smart ad spending for you. How does it work? What can we do to help? We want to help Oasis family get those new patients into your office, right? We can go ahead and guide them the right way. We can get everything set up for you guys, and then we'll just provide you with the leads, and you guys run with those leads. So that's what we're interested in doing. All right. So first thing first is you will have exclusive Facebook access to a group that's been created by us. It's called RGV Connects You. This particular group, if you noticed, is a closed group. So certain people are invited, and that's it. It's not a group where everybody gets access. So what we do is we're going to feature a specific office every week. So an office in McAllen, which we hope it's you guys. So we will feature it on this Facebook. Visit Oasis Dental today for great offers and this and that. So that would be what one of the things that comes with our particular packages. This is Google AdWorks. I wanted to explain to you how this works. This is one of the main programs that we use. We have exclusive rights to certain programs within Google AdWorks. So I just wanted to explain to you how this works. So this is the formula on top. Your ad ranks is based upon your max cost per click and the quality score. So this is Google's secret sauce. This is what awards the positioning, right? So your average, so let's say advertiser 1, 2, 3, 4. So advertiser 4 pays $8 per click. Advertiser 1 only pays 2. Paying the highest doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to get the best position. The quality of your ad is what gets you the position based on here. So that is what we want to focus on. I'm going to show you a couple of things here in a bit when it comes to this. So did some research in your area. Bringing up some information here. Alright, so we did some research for you guys, and we just looked up dentists in McAllen. We wanted to see what garners up, what was able to to come up when we put dentist in McAllen, right? So there's 390 local searches. Globally within the area there is 480. So the click-through rate is 4.43. The rank difficulty is 1 through 100. So this particular search rank would be 41 ranking. So the monthly cost, this is a monthly cost per word. So right here would be $10, $20, $30 a monthly cost just in these two words, right? When it comes to the advertisement on that. So that's a monthly cost per word. So, but let me show you what we wanted to show, what I wanted to show you specifically here. So there's 12 advertisers using this phrase, and the cost is 10.80 per word, right? And the local searches is that. So the cost per click is $3.60. So every time they click on there, it's the cost per words, the cost per keyword plus the cost per click, right? So that's what we have right now. But this is the interesting part. I wanted to show you guys this right here, the organic ranking of this. So right now, based off of this, it's showing us that Express Dental last month had number 1, Lake Family had number 2, McAllen Dental had 4, and the positioning at Yelp had 3. So we're trying to get you to within the top 3 here with the least expensive route possible, right? We have great programs that will be able to do that. So I wanted to show you something else real quick. This is actually what got me looking at this a little bit more. So Express Dental is currently ranked number 1. Their domain strength is 36, so that's pretty good. You guys are actually ranked number 8. Your domain is rank is 25th. Monthly estimated clicks, you guys are only getting 9 monthly estimated clicks on here. They're garnishing 64, right? With the same word, same dentist in McAllen. But you have to see what is their ad is probably their ad is probably a little bit has a better quality score, right? And we have to look at what they're doing. So it's the same thing as the Lakes Family Dental, right? They had 30 clicks a month. So we want to give you part of that. We want to show you guys that we can give you part of those clicks. You guys are only garnishing about 9 clicks per month on there. So we want to increase that for you, okay? So I hope that was a little, that's informative that for you guys, so that way you guys can see how this works. So keywords. We searched 3. Dentist in McAllen, right? 3 words or more in a collective group gives you the best low cost and the most probable for conversion. So we aim for those. We aim for experienced best dentist in McAllen, and we will put that in your ad. So people search this way. There's ways people search. It's proven that 3 or more words are searched more and more often. Google's chief economist stated that 60% of Google's quality score is determined by your click-through rate, which is how you search your ad relevance and the landing quality page. What you guys, so you guys had the 25 based off of the landing page on there. So this is the common practice. This is what a lot of the local marketers do, right? When the ad campaign is. So they provide you with a campaign. Within the campaign, they provide 2 ad groups, and then they provide an ad in each one of those ad groups. This is the most expensive way. They focus on certain keywords per ad. We don't do that, right? What we do, so this right here it gives you more irrelevant clicks, more fraudulent clicks with a lower quality score. What we do is we provide the one-on-one performance method, right? Garnishes more relevant clicks, higher quality scores, and so on. So we'll put your campaign, we'll put an ad group in each of your campaigns, and we'll stick to one ad. Now this ad will garnish up to 1,000 keywords we'll put in there for you, right? To best fit either a single word, a group of words, a sentence, things like that within one ad. So this becomes a lot less costly for you. It's more, you provide savings, and you're also trying to get those clicks. Because currently, right now, you guys are spending about $9 a click, right? I wanted to show you one more thing. I think I have it here where it says that how much they spend on the ad. For example, Oasis Dental's $806 budget, 951. So it's kind of in that area there. Okay, so let me go back here to you guys. Okay, so the factors, right? So ad copies, we'll make sure that we provide those for you. Search terms to your ad relevancy, we will provide that. Geographical relevance, that's going to be taken care of for you. Geographical relevance, I'm sorry. Long tail usage on your ad, that's going to be taken care of. Up to 1,000 words per account, that will be definitely taken care of as well. So all this will be part of that. Our landing page factors, we will create a landing page for you. It's going to be the landing page quality, what factors into that. So you guys had a ranking of a 25th. Express Dental had a 37, I believe, so it's 10 more points in the ranking. But the landing page has to be relevant, which we will definitely do that. The speed's going to be faster. We will do that for you. We will create this to make sure that it hits all the key factors. This is one of the examples that we have. We actually have what we call a mousetrap, right? This is a little bit of a survey style thing. So we would ask 5 questions. For example, question number 1 would say, instead of here, we would put a type of service needed, and we'll put cleaning, whitening, and so on. So keywords here, and then they can click, general visit, and then we would ask them for their name, phone number, information. So they're providing this detailed information for you, which provides you for a better quality ad. Okay, so let's do some quick research. Got it right here. There. So I was on you guys' page.com. Actually, let's do this one over here, just real quick. Got a couple of minutes for you guys, so that way. Let's see if I'll be able to do that. Dentist. Yeah. That's some account. Alright, so Account Dental comes up. Oasis Dental, so these are people that are paying for their ads, right? Let's go search a little bit lower on this page. Yelp is on there. Express Dental's right there. General Dentist, that's Lake's family, and then you guys are right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 relevant down, and these guys are actually shows that they're paying for your ad. You're not showing that you're paying for the words dentist in McAllen, because your ad does not show dentist in McAllen. That's exactly what we mean. We want to make sure we get you up there. All right. So just wanted to show you that to you. We currently are looking for a partner. I hope you were wowed by this information. I hope you kind of see what we mean if you would partner with us, how we would get your advertisement and leads a lot better for your office. Contact us today. We're how I mentioned again, I know I've said it several times, but we are searching for a partner in the McAllen area. Our team has worked with dental offices. We know what works. We know the keywords that work. We even have pay-per lead, no risk after management fees. We have a pay-per-lead option. So you would pay your management fees, you provide your budget, and we'll go from there. If even within our management fees, if you do not get a single lead, your money is guaranteed to go back to you. And I will provide free Facebook ads for an entire month. For you trying this out if you get no leads from these particular investment. So if you're interested, once again, my name is Cesar Gonzalez with Gonzalez Social Media Marketing. Call me at 956-246-7098, or you can email me at gonzalezconsultants@gmail.com, or visit our website so you can see how we focus exclusive. Our focus is exclusive to the dental industry at gonzalezconsultants.com. Thank you. Have a great day.